Hi folks, welcome to our gallery page. It's located in the Pages folder gallery. This will be part of the Pro package. I wanted to just do a quick demonstration of how to update it, but before we do that, I want to give a shout out or a thank you or a thumbs up or whatever you want to call it to the folks at Code Drops, timpanis.net. This is where we got the original idea for the gallery. We got the code from this site here and modified it thanks to their fantastic information and their licensing options, where basically it's you use it and just don't abuse it, sort of a thing, and we really appreciate that. But we've taken that particular object right here and we've modified it a little bit to work within what we call our gallery page here. This gallery is kind of cool. You can use it for people, for programs, for anything you want. You click on the image, a larger version of that image shows up down here. We've modified some details over here, close it up, and then down at the bottom of the page we've added, in this example, a large thumb with Employee of the Month. So let's just show you how to update the gallery and add more items. We'll jump right into our gallery.htm page right here. We'll do the right click and open file. The gallery is actually located in our library components gallery folder, and all the images are loaded in through here, through the images folder right here, and then we have the Employee of the Month image located at the bottom of the page in there as well. Now the picture size is 700 by 520, and the reason we're going with that size is when we expand an image, this image right here, that's actually 700 by 520, though we've used some CSS to scrunch it on down. The reason being is when we click it, we want a larger version of that image to show up down here, and instead of loading in two separate images, we're loading in one image and letting it sort of resize or expand in size down here. So to make the modifications, let's just jump through it. Each slide or thumbnail is wrapped in a slide comment tag like we do with our other library pages. If you need to add more, just copy a slide, go between two other slides and paste, right? And for updating, here's the information we need to update. First of all, the picture. If we want to replace the picture, we need to get a replacement picture. I'll go to my gallery folder here. There's the 700 by 520 picture. I'll drag and drop it into my folder like so. There it is. So if I want to replace the first picture, I double click, hit the browse button. I go to my library and my components and my gallery and my images folder, and I would now find that replacement image right there, select it and hit OK and OK. And finally I just do a double click, go to the Appearance tab and unselect the Specify Image Size. Right. So that's the first part. The second part is you can change the member name, the member details, the paragraph, and all this down here. You can change that to whatever you like. Right. And after you've changed that, select the image once again and flip to Code View. And what you're going to do when you do that is there is the image selected right there. You need to make sure that the image that you want to show up as the large image, you want to copy the name that you've changed, so 700 by 520 JPEG, and paste it right here in place of the team-1, the original image name. The reason being is we have the data large description, and we have to manually, because it's not an actual A-link, we have to put the full URL to that folder and that image up here, not a relative type URL like this where we just have the name of the folder. We have to put the full URL from the root of the folder or the root of the website all the way back. So it's a lot easier if we just take the image name here and replace the image name here and not have to worry about the path. And that's why we want to, or suggest you put all of your images in the gallery images folder. The other thing you need to do is actually change the member name one to the actual member name. So once you've changed your member name in the design view, so let's say I've gone and changed this to Susie Jones like so, and I've made my other changes to the member details and the paragraph, I would select this Susie Jones text right here, copy it, and paste it in place of the member name 1. The reason being for that, let's get rid of that space, is when we're in the view here, you see this information here. That's how it helps keep tabs of everything. So it's a good idea just to keep everything on the up and up with the data title by modifying it right here. And here you can see our image, and now we have the name and the whatnot, everything's showing up as we want it to. Of course, I said I haven't gone through and changed the details yet, but that's the process for adding a new image and for updating the gallery that you see here. And then it pops down automatically when we have an odd number of images.